Do you want to know?
Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is a new video, and it's a very kind of a video, and you are going to love it, I'm sure of that. So I will share with you how to make homemade gel at home, and here is what I'll be using. I'm using flaxseed, and this flaxseed is easy to get. In Italia it's called semi di legno, so it's very easy to make and it's very good for your hair. So the first thing I will do is to boil water, and I'm using half cup of flaxseed, and I used 750 grams of water. Then I'll just let the water boil. So now the water is boiling, and make sure the water boil before you add the flaxseed. So make sure it boiled very well, as you can see. So I'm just go ahead to add the flaxseed on the water that is already boiled. So flaxseed is very beneficial to your hair. Flaxseed contains fibers, and it also contains omega-3 fatty acid, which help to improve the health of your hair by making it strong and improving the hair elasticity. So this gel also make your hair moisturize to prevent breakage, freezing, and dryness. You know, when your hair is dry is due to breakage. So this flaxseed gel is very good, and trust me, it's very good. And the one thing that I really love about it is that the seed is easy to get, and the seed is very affordable, easy to make, and like so you can see that the flaxseed is boiling, and the more it boils, the more the gel will be forming. So make sure it boils very well. And one thing I will say, if you are making the flaxseed gel, make sure to turn it continuously and use a low heat. Make sure your gas is low while doing it, and continue to stir it so that the bottom of the flaxseed don't end up drying. So now guys, you can see that the flaxseed is really, you can see that the gel is forming now. Can you see that? So the more it boils, the more the gel will be forming. So, and it's very thick. I really love it. I've tried it before. This is actually my second time, so I thought I should film it for you guys to know. So if you have a natural hair, and this gel is also good for babies, it's very good and very moisturizing, guys. I really love it, and I'm not sure in the long run I'll be buying gel anymore. I'm joking anyway, but it's really good. So as you can see, the gel is boiled and is well formed. So I will just put off the gas. Can you see that? I just put off the gas and let it cool down before pressing the gel out. So now guys, this is the gel I got. Can you see how thick it is? Very thick. And also the secret that I've learned from this flaxseed gel is that the thicker the better. So make sure it's thick. So guys, I will just go ahead to use my cheesecloth. This cheesecloth is very small, but I will just manage it anyway. And I use my clean hands to put a little on the cheesecloth, and start pressing the gel out. This process is kind of very hard. Can you see that? So you have to be patient while doing this step. It's very important that you're patient, and make sure to take out the gel. Can you see that? So what I just did, I keep pressing it. So guys, the more you press it, the more the gel will be separated from the seed. So I just keep pressing it. Like I said earlier, you have to be patient with this process, because it's very kind of hard, because you know it's gel, and you need your strength also. So like what you can see, I'll just keep pressing the gel out of the seed. So guys, so this is what I'll keep doing, and I'll repeat the same step with the remaining of the gel. So guys, this is what we got from the first press. Can you see the gel is very slippery and thick. So I'll just transfer it to my jar bottle after pressing all this seed out. So this is how it looks. Can you see? I so much love this one that I did, and it's very good because I tried it on my hair. So guys, so here's a flaxseed that is remaining after pressing it out, and I'm still going to use it again. I will use it and made it into a powder and use it for my deep conditioning. So this is how it is, guys, and I will just cover it and store it in the fridge. With this, you can store it up to a month or more, depend on the quantity. Like this one, I think I'm going to use it for once or twice. So guys, that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.